Hey friends, today we're going to draw Queen Bouncelia or Fairy Ururu from Garten of BanBan. First, draw a little circle for the eye. Then we'll draw another circle off to the bottom and the side. We're going to draw the pupils looking down at an angle. And then draw a line that comes down just a little bit. And we're going to make the nose come out. And then come in. And then draw the nose part. Kind of like a dog's nose. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down for the chin. Goes in towards the body. Come up here, draw a line. And then draw the bottom of the crown that curves around. We're going to start drawing in the ear. Goes up to a point and then it comes down. Then draw a smaller shape inside. Come over to the side of the crown and we're going to draw a point that goes up and comes in. Then another point that goes up, comes down, and finally one on this side. Behind the crown, we're going to draw the ear. And draw the back of the head that comes down, curves around, go up, and it curves up to the back, then comes down. We're going to draw a line that goes up for the tail. Bring the same shape and come down. Now come back over to the head and we're going to draw this line down to about here and draw in the arm. Just curves down. And a little line here. That hooks up and we draw some fingers that are just like little triangles. And we bring the arm back up and then it gets a little bit curvy right here. And this line we can continue down to here. Now come back up behind the chin. Under the chin, we're going to draw another line that comes down, then curves all the way around and connects back to the tip. Then come over here, we're going to draw a line that comes out, and another line that comes out. Then draw a diagonal line that goes up like this, and a little line here, then another, then the same diagonal line goes up, and now we're going to draw a heart shape right here, a curve that goes up and hooks in, and same thing over here. Then we're going to draw a smaller heart shape inside. One more heart shape inside. And we got to draw a curve over here for the hand and erase this line. And then draw some triangle shapes for the fingers. 3 triangles. Now back to the bottom of the belly, we're going to draw a line that goes up like this. And then it comes back down. And inside here, we're going to draw a circle. We're going to draw 5 circles inside this space. They get smaller. And then we're going to draw pupils inside, looking in different directions. Now come over here. We're going to draw a balloon shape. Erase this line. Comes down. And then a line that comes down and curves a little. I'm going to draw a long horizontal line that curves up. Draw two toes. Continue the shape back to this point. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that curves down. Another line that curves down. Then draw this foot behind. Final thing is we need to draw jewels on the crown, which are just little circles. One final circle behind the ear. And that's how you draw Fairy Ururu from Garten of BanBan. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. See you in the next video.